And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Outside here in the 10-11 backyard, it is not a very nice day at all. Very windy conditions. We have a little bit of sleet, a little bit of snow, I think, falling here in the 10-11 backyard. Maybe a little bit of drizzle. The temperature, again, just below freezing. Where I'm standing right now, it's not that slippery, but I did step on a metal grate over here, which was icy. So there's certainly some icy spots in the area, in the Lincoln area, certainly across the state, some snowy and icy conditions as well. Let's take a look at the current temperatures across the state, and we are basically looking at cold temperatures. Of course, the wind is making it feel much worse. 31 in Lincoln, 24 in Grand Island, 20 in O'Neill, 23 in Lexington. But again, you factor in the wind, feels like 15 in Lincoln, just 8 in Grand Island, 3 above in Ord, 9 in Lexington, and 5 in Ainsworth. The wind, central eastern areas, it's been about 20 to 30 miles per hour, even at times 25 to 35 miles per hour. Check out the wind gusts at the top of the hour, gusting to 45 miles per hour now in Lincoln, 37 to Grand Island, gusting to 44 in Hastings, and up to 38 miles per hour in the Norfolk area. Satellite and radar, we've generally been looking at very light precipitation in the Lincoln area, some drizzle earlier, some sleet and some snow right now. We're not expecting a lot, but again, with the temperature falling, might be just enough to see some slick conditions. We have been looking at steadier snow over parts of southwest Nebraska, central and northern sections of the state as well. Taking a little closer look in the Lincoln area as far as the radar. Again, this showing some light snow, a little bit of sleet mixed in, a little bit of drizzle as well. This is a fast-moving storm system, and we might be done with the precipitation as we head towards midday, early afternoon. You can see SkyCast shows that system moving out of here, and then generally clearing skies, cold and blustery this evening. Cold temperatures tonight, single digits and teens for lows. Wednesday, I think sunshine, but still a bit breezy, and temperatures will still be on the chilly side. Let's move on and check out again the winter weather advisory for much of the state. Expires around 6 o'clock again for areas of snow, blowing snow, reduced visibility, as well as that wintry mix. And again, looking at some pockets of freezing drizzle, especially over south central, southeastern, and eastern sections of the state. So the snowfall total, by the time everything is said and done, I think there certainly could be a band between 2 and 4 inches from western Nebraska, central and the northeastern areas, lighter amounts the further south again. I still think in the Lincoln area, Beatrice, Seward, talking about less than an inch of snowfall. For a lot of us, the high temperatures have already occurred for the day just after midnight. I think our temperatures fall into the 20s and pretty much remained in the 20s this afternoon, along with that strong north wind. And then low temperatures tonight, dropping down to the single digits and the teens, down to 15 in Lincoln, 11 to Grand Island, but 6 degrees in Lexington. Here's that 10-day forecast. Things do improve, a little chilly on Wednesday, but around 50 for Thursday. And then for Friday, we're talking about 60, then down to the 30s for Saturday, upper 40s Sunday. Right now the weekend looks dry. And then we are going to be talking about some colder temperatures next week. Central Nebraska also looking at that warm up as we head towards Friday, but colder for the weekend, but dry, although Sunday not bad with lower 50s. And then colder temperatures next week with very small precipitation chances. Northern Nebraska looking at windy, breezy conditions as we head towards the end of the week. Chillier conditions for Saturday. And then also looking at the colder temperatures, especially by Tuesday. And finally for southwest Nebraska, could be back up into the 60s by Friday. Cooler on Saturday, warmer on Sunday, and then chillier temperatures, more seasonal as we head into next week. So again, very cold. I think this precipitation in Lincoln remains light, but again, some slick spots possible this morning, and then this precipitation should come to an end by noon or at least early afternoon. John, Taryn?
Okay. It sounds cold out there. Thanks for being out there.
It is. I can confirm that.
All right. Thank you, Brad.
You bet.
Well,